Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I come up with the announcement that I have come with the web development workshop, a week-long workshop with association with Geeks for Geeks and Sparks Initiator. So since this is a week-long workshop, so day by day it's like a first day on HTML, second day of CSS, third day on JavaScript, and as well. So the first day we will learn HTML, second CSS, and third JavaScript and Bootstrap and version control. And at the last day, we will get a hackathon. So it will start from the 10 Jan and will end on 16 Jan. And at 16th, it would be a hackathon so that you can compare that what you have learned in this workshop, and there is some cool prizes as well. So what will be the schedule? So on the first day, it is a introduction of the workshop, basic setup plus HTML, which is the backbone of the website. Second, we have a CSS. So CSS is like a colorful website. It makes your website look good. When you see any colors, any animations, it's all because of CSS. So the third is JavaScript. JavaScript is basically to make your website more interactable for the user. We will learn it. Fourth is responsive web design. So some of the people are confused on in responsiveness. So what responsiveness is? It is like it's not depend on speed, how fast your website load. It's not that. It's like your website is work on desktop and on mobile as well. It means you have visited many websites in your life. So what you might observe here is on the desktop side there's a lot of content on the website, but if you visit on the mobile version there is some sub menu. So what it does is to optimize desktop version into mobile version. So this is called the responsiveness of the website. So we will also learn that. The fifth day we have the Bootstrap. So what Bootstrap is, it is a framework. So if you don't know about anything about framework, it's all fine, we will learn it. So basically what it does is to increase the productivity. It's a short code which has pre-written so that we can drag and drop it and use it. And we have a version control. So version control here is Git. We will also create our final project and will make it online so that any people around the world can see it through the internet. And the last day we have a hackathon. So hackathon is to compare yourself that what you have learned in this workshop. There's some cool prizes as well, so hurry up. So now we know the schedule of the workshop. So what are the prerequisites? So the first is you should have laptop with a good internet connection. It is required so that our workshop would be uninterruptible. Okay. The second is no coding experience is required. Many people ask me about on the social media that is there any coding experience required, because I don't know about the coding. I don't know C, C++, Java, Python. I don't know anything. I will make sure that if you don't have any coding experience, then you can also follow along. There is no coding experience required for the web development. You can start from scratch. I will introduce you from the scratch. I will introduce you a bits of the HTML so that you can understand it from very beginning. Okay. The third is VS Code. I have experienced many times that there is some installation error during the workshop when I asked them to download. So I will like at the end of this introduction video, I will make a video on VS Code so that you can install it earlier from the workshop. The last, I need some nice people to follow along with me so that it would be a hands-on. So what you will get from this workshop? Well, you have a very strong command on web development. I will give you the brief information about the how website work, how website load, how it retrieve the function, how website interacts with the user, right? So you will be able to create your own website without any hassle. The second is the most important skill for developer is to how to Google your bugs. It is the most important skill because many times you will be able to stuck an error, like you have written a code but it is not showing. So why is it not showing? You will Google it, right? So maybe an 8 out of 10 times you will Google a bug. It is for sure. Every developer does this. So it is the most demanding skill in development. So how to Google your bugs. The third is we will give a cheat sheet and quiz. So after every workshop, we will give you a quiz so that you will know how much you have learned from this workshop, from day one workshop, from 2, from 3, and 4, 5 as well. After every workshop you will get a cheat sheet and a quiz as well. And at the last, not only learning, we will have great fun with along that, because we will create an awesome project. We will have an awesome community of developers who reach out to you and make your process better. So this is all for the introduction of the workshop, and from here I will introduce you how to uh, install VS Code. To download VS Code, just type on search bar VS Code download. So the first link is here. Click on this, and if you have a Mac, then you can install these. For Linux this, and right now I have a Windows, so I will click on this. After clicking this, your download has been started. So after this download, I will get back to you. Okay, so download has been done. So now click on this, click accept, next, and the basic path is this. So I will just do it next, and I want to create a desktop icon. So click next and then install. Okay, so it has been installed. So click finish and launch this. So after opening, you will get this window. So now your VS Code has been installed, and for attending the workshop, I have given the link in the description so that you can register it. So see you on the other side.